Hey guys, welcome to the podcast. Now, let me just tell you, actually, this is going to be slightly different to what you guys are used to. Usually, when you see a podcast, it's two individuals. Well, in this case, it's only me. I'm narrating. So it's not really a podcast, is it? I didn't think that through. Anyway, the second difference is that usually you see somebody in a beautiful, well lit studio, and quite frankly, I see none of that here. Anyway, but really, what I wanted to talk to you is something really, really playing on my mind, and that is humanity. Humanity is amazing. Humanity is incredible. But can't we all just get along? I mean, really, can't we all just get along? Let's open our minds. Let's give each other a chance. Let's build bridges. Let's be positive and impactful in life. Let's make a difference. And to make a difference, you don't need to go and do something completely crazy and, you know, think of, you know, 20 steps ahead in front. You just simply need to make small, small changes. Remember that small changes, some changes that seem minute, done over a long period of time consistently will make a massive impact. Okay, so that is my message. If you want to change the world, change the small things first. Start with the easy things. Don't start with the most difficult things because you're setting yourself up for failure. We don't want to set ourselves up for failure. We want to succeed. We want to succeed, and it can be something as simple as smiling. They say that when you smile at somebody, it fires off certain parts of the brain, and that part of the brain is usually deals with pleasure and sensual feelings. So when you smile at somebody, they may not know it, but you're actually making them feel good. Okay. They did a study in London, actually, in the UK, and they calculated that it takes 2,000 chocolate bars to reproduce the same sensation and pleasure chemicals that are fired off in your brain as when somebody smiles at you. So your smile is worth 2,000 chocolates. Remember that next time, okay? Anyway, smile, be positive, go out, don't be afraid of each other, build bridges, bridges and be courageous. That's my message. Peace out.